Sri Matre Nama. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnan from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 13th August 2025, Adi Masam 28th, Vishwasanama Samvalsaram, Uttara Dakshinayanam, Grishmurdo, Adi Masam, that is Kadaga Masam, Krishna Paksham, Tithi up to 8:37 p.m. Chaturthi, and then Panchami, Saumya Vasam, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 1:05 p.m. Uttratadi, then Revati Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Kalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Guliga Kalam 10:30 to 12 noon. Good time 10 to 10:30, 9 to 10 a.m., 2 to 3 p.m. Today's sunrise 6 a.m. Chandrashtamam Simha Rashi, Shulam North, Prayachittam Milk, Shraddha Tithi Panchami.